The mysterious house had just come from its adventure in the jungle, and now it was stopping in a new land. Just as it did so, the Blues Brothers were having a very intense conversation. "I love my red hat," said Mario. "Oh, I miss my green hat," said Luigi. "I've lost it somewhere and I can't find it, and my head feels so bare without it. I feel as though everyone's staring at me, wondering where the green hat is." "Don't worry about it," said Mario. "Let's just go and have a look at this new land." And so out they hopped. "Whoa," said the Green Sisters. "What is this land? Full of desks and papers and books. And what is this great big black box?" said Luigi. It says that it's a cannon. I wonder if it's going to explode." The Green Sisters just smiled. They wanted to play a trick. So they jumped on to the enter button on the keyboard. Suddenly, the big box made a move, and something was coming out. What a surprise Mario and Luigi got. It wasn't a cannon at all. It was a printer, and it had sent them a message. "What did it say?" said Mario. So Luigi got up to have a look. It says, "Foolish people always think they are right, but wise people listen to advice." Proverbs 12, verse 15. Ooh, that's interesting. Suddenly, Luigi felt that everyone was staring at him, and staring at his head where his hat should have been. He got all shy and he said, "Don't look at me. I know my hat's not there. I don't want to hear it." And so off he huffed before anyone could say anything. So they went off to explore all the different sort of books there were. It was like a gigantic library, full of wisdom and fun things. "Look over here. There's lots of Bible studies," said Luigi. "And here's some kids' books," said the Green Sisters. "And over here," said Mario, "is a whole lot of mess, and it's all explained in this book called Messy Church." "I like this one," said Luigi. After all this exploring, they finally stopped for a breather. And then Luigi noticed they were all staring at his head again. "What? I know, I've lost my green hat. Why are you staring?" "I don't like you staring. I'm just going to go off and be by myself. I'm sorry. I don't like staring. Thank you." Before they could say a word to explain what they were looking at, off he went. Finally, Luigi stopped, and he said a prayer. "Dear God, why are people staring at me? I don't know." And as he was thinking about this, he had a feeling that he needed to look down. And when he did, he saw that verse from before in the printer. "Foolish people always think they're right, but wise people listen to advice." Oh well, they are my friends and my family, and I know they love me. Maybe I should go and listen to what they have to say, because I suppose I didn't ask them. So off he went. "Okay," Luigi said. I think that God likes me to listen to advice. So why are you staring at my head?" "Well," said the Green Sisters, trying not to laugh, "there's a monkey on your head." "What?" "Yes," said Mario. "It's been there all this time, and you haven't noticed. And we thought it was very funny. We weren't trying to laugh at you, but it was very funny." "What?" said Luigi. "A monkey?" And he reached up, and sure enough, there was a monkey. Straight away, the monkey leapt off his head and ran back to the mysterious house, with all of them chasing behind. They managed to get to the house in time before it started spinning. They avoided the little message that the monkey had left on the front doorstep for them. And as the house span up, Luigi felt that he had learned an important lesson about what it meant to be wise and what it meant to be foolish. I wonder what they would learn in the next land.